Now Frank Lampard is Chelsea coach. On one year, Jumano is a PMPO. On one I judge in a Kanu Magum. I didn't know my Guaquem. Now, Frank Lampard no. Ni data space no so hard drink kakra. Se mbanya mi fall down na manya ni data space na msen kama ni beje. We no de babe ya adwuma no. Tinesa we expect to be fufuro bia. I mean, it's incredible. In the last matches our born. We draw 2. We lose 14. We win 1. Or concede 33 goals. We know Cabo Managers in the last 17 matches. No. 17 times 2, 34. In Tiaka 1 goal, Frank Lampard is averaging 2 goals conceded per game.
I'm sure we know the money.
Frank Lampard. Nah, ordinary. So, ya kabia na ko ensem bebre. Brighton for in Bobo. Obi anim. Nya afi ni ebe ha ye ni aka se. But it is the quality of scouting. Brighton na Chelsea. E ko form chief scout na Sano Manoma ni nyina o. Chelsea call Brighton no. Oman for Roberto De Zerbi. Any Bruno Munio mama kan keke. Nipa ototo players na ma Brighton cross almost half an kan hold in buy. Don't to 2 ni training abasa. So the ball anyway and I just say Brighton Abafi Abasha Chelsea 2-1. I mean again you give them credit, they are having a fabulous season, you know. It's not much of an issue. But then the important thing Bonnie Abowie. You say honest no. Short ball money fans, na fans ni bi kan sembi echrom. Minima the crop potin no mo kachrom. But you could clearly see this is a club that is not in agreement with the components of the team. We be fans, no. We hear pictures never quite me who them say,
and all can be actually Todd Bonley. Because per the caption say omunya happy. Ricardo Mr. Omunfa anopa here this picture by yes, and that's no.
You know, like dream one say. But then this expression is enough.
Because of her guests are not crying why now.
They are not happy. Nenso na point you where people odika kunichi.
Answer no ba.
Until no fan the Chelsea are making these errors, they will learn from them. And then omabo him. But say this hardening we Chelsea supporters say we need Jenoko.
But also for once after the game Boline other executives echo dressing room almost an hour.
So almost video no. Manu Sans and mami who copy of the video na Chelsea owners no and I'm parking so.
Yeah, no almost dressing.
So I. What now no ntino there na go here.
Say someone who say because of her Ebiana Bonley the witness na no say fan can be ache no hu bi da but won say adru ni bre tell some kwaka bi chire players no
ko here there ankasa
so some can be situation say they are not happy, the fans are not happy
and no players ni nye den
omo page omo di momo
omo fans no omo nya happy because of the
results eba
fantastic owners never omo players and omo top players
omo to dewa
omo pamu coaches and omo pamu coaches
omo pam
mirror say no omo akasa no omo koka dey dressing room hono na masem ni nyina gina it's depressing many ananka me Bob Brighton for na ba so here and see so young boy omo kofa ne ba ni go awashe and see so is Paraguayan
yeah
and go awashe enyo no nko omo akrakuto bi wo bo na note Brighton is omo call Latin America for cover players ne direct no mo de omo ba so omo ntwe ma obi nkofo mo ma no mo makoto Ntwe Moises Caicedo, Independiente de Laval, Honom Kofa and Free. Like they are shopping well. 3.1. And yet, Omo Bakubiso, a friend Jeremy Samiento. Nizamonia Conwa. On Bopa. So over a period of time, Brighton would get a lot of money, but players need Binunya, Mien credit, Ubisa profile. Styling any young fellas, Omo Yaya the crew. I'm end product problem. What they are?
I'm finishing now.
And yet, still no Manchester City no she goes pa. But not your bogu no doors in your she.
Your she no. Tina ebi ama wa adwene nkoso.
Ona how ni nyina akogina I'm say we the hardware and so no obey anything. Once a time now mobile midfield na 6 and 8 no. Lampard and Steven Gerrard. Gerrard so continue mo Aston Villa. Yeah, pamo no November 2022 no. Na omuda 16th. Ombe relegation. Steven Gerrard. Now Unai Emery and by ebe share na. In November 2022 na Aston Villa at the 16th omo relegation. Yeah, April 2023 in a little under 5 months because World Cup no cry akwaba to a nyasa difference 4 months no okobaye no or winning 12 games or lose 2 omoda 6 they could go into the Champions League. This is a quality manager in terms of personnel. When Oli Watkins ball our bonuses good fair not to change
obese be disallow obese ase
oko eni benkum so omo left back Lucas Digne I'm confirming free Everton 30 million.
Son of Barcelona benena mua.
Na obaye no okofa Alex Moreno abeshim. Alex Moreno no ne bo no ye 12 million so saying ne modern mono kon kan sin 30 million ni okofa ne baye. Enye sa Aston Villa no money players, no more players. Omo midfielder be friend Boubacar Kamara or French. No Marseille. Another excellent defensive anchor. Leon Bailey. You know Leverkusen. Oli Watkins. Sa Norwich for Argentina ni tete a ono button man we. Ono so about team num. Coutinho ho. Nti no materials den kom obi. National Gerrard in hu adwuma na ni so onya de. So what I say omo de omo din eni omo reputation no na omo de coach enya adwuma sa. Mon ko team nketua bi coach na mon sa nye fin mo ansa na maba. Ne ha no ye mistakes are. It's punishable because one really now jail team no man ombe se no ombe gu no unye sika o de betra Premier League no, and the Premier League is a money business until you have to accept it. Leicester lose to Manchester City. Tina sa Arsenal so share 20 minutes 1-0 aba ako 2-0 abe 2-2 back to back matches. Arsenal dropping points from 2 goal up.
Arsenal Liverpool,
then Arsenal West Ham. Na asam Bukayo Saka abo penalty atwatwene. E hon sema e deja. Mira asam no ne tintini ne tietie de. League ne je na nya din.
Sir.
David. Premier League ne je no. Anya din.
But as Arsenal e bre wosoro
because of nipa na opeso G League ni fi ne nsem no.
Pep no.
Look, ever since Chelsea ni Antonio Conte G League no. Premier League nasisa na yemu de ewura your skin because you betimi aka na aka ni because we have invested our emotions into this thing. Ebe go ni ma say it will disgrace you. Na Liverpool last season no man on the final day 20 minutes to the end of the season no. Na Liverpool na Premier League no. Because season
City Baje
18-19 the last 16 games of the Premier League Liverpool draw 1 we need 15 still
SOMPA 93.1
we are in an era with 96 points in enough so Baje Premier League no
because Arsenal points now still as a Sotianet
Arsenal have more points than the Invincibles at this stage. Omashe more goals than the Invincibles of 2004 at this stage. That's why here you be people make say Arsenal bottle Premier League. Omon bottle Premier League be Amira. Say Manchester City be G League ni from Nsema. Normal.
Papa na hu sa ba Arsenal fans hu ne sa.
It is no omon hu be that me bitimika because I invested my emotions into Liverpool. Me hu normal.
SOMPA 93.1
Omo shene ahye. Omo timi ba 86 minutes. No so makofa go biaba masema meka ne tintini ne tietie se na Bukayo Saka pra na se Thomas Partey su pra Arsenal be de
se kura Saliba free chire ho no
why shake me boa
amas na concede goals bi
yes impress sia o menyo obi agina ho abo ahwe yes
because social Laporte crowd workers we need playing time
Kevin De Bruyne impra Omeka Kofu be a Besharabo.
SOMPA 93.1.
They have a perfect team, a perfect manager, and they have perfect resources. Omo wo sika bro bia so. Omo players papa sin obi a o league nim. Omo to omo su bebre. And omo coach oni madwuma. Tuni omo person of league ni from Nsema. It is a perfectionist. Until Liverpool played a perfect season in 2019-2020 season, and San Omutimi Premier League. No? You've got to give it to them. Now Nicolo Fagioli na 7 year Mario Hokakra. Say Akra no no this or both team or Bob one team and it just all Bowman boy team na last minute clearance na I did go abre Sassuolo. Na ya I say na otinis you e free mu na muzo to na otinis you. I mean yeah na can say almost mujisika kese there. Nanso footballers are human beings. More emotions ene ya pa not least Obotia Fratesi see a player obi anim say Juventus are around trying to look for him. Still in Italy, my chairman SAV penalty jubility say a go ebro who's a real Patricio a save penalty no sisi ade nim ne Jose Mourinho person oji wo Roma tino ye guso aye bisa no questions nemum so my hu ne person oji wi a ye nyina disciples na ebeba nya be kan wasem but it is a sad new man nkete no and the man here the special one. You get it? So some penalty need to more be an casamaba.
Storing bit mazasa.
Until these moments and they are eco fan seven about me the Musina Brunia na sebi unimyansa. Na sense mo o drive ya hwe mo do traffic light eso green a ya san bo aben ansa na wakwa na nka betimi a eso green na twen kakra.
Okay.
Ni maybe a conform free by sebi manu siminum abodan for ya dos
SOMPA
they say Okroma it means so red bones will be
oh yeah
it is a war more when yanko so adwin say oh yeah near you
but na obi di na asia bisa
ba be kun kwa oh man sheda obo wa kun nyansa no ni because you drew when you say so red agina so green akọ and a bit so yellow bones will be ko so I say until Okroma no especially Abuya.
Amudi am semra no monka ho
so nti ne esrem amuda wo de car nam ho a eya hwe na yen de ne e bus
SOMPA 93.1
bicycles Abuya and cars we mu no krom no your tram train and nam from
yeah
enam krom sa
enam ekwan aka nam so na
e bi na ekọ crash immobile na emia a science student me back when share me back anytime na bisa ho se tram ibi ni nam krom ha nke be den because yasem no areho kakra areho pa but the Italian international striker is when you fracture kakra and yeah the doctors in no I actually even doubt say immobile bit ma ba
SOMPA 93.1
abobo na boni
because me de me na me shim cry na mama mi no na na ka no ho no because no ko training
ko pe bibia be di o nim be den nam I had drink kakra me de masa musin mebo Anthony Abaso
Manchester United
yeah Anthony ye na dwen say obema ball na kasa no af jai say all force ball na am say be boa no you create for people your goal will come. And in fact, he had an excellent game for Manchester United against Nottingham Forest. Yamba Anthony Abaso.